Today I'm cooking some Thalipeeth. It's kind of a flat bread. It has different types of flours added to it. Sorghum, barley, and chickpea flour, a little bit of rice flour, I believe. This dish is called Thalipeeth, and I'm going to demonstrate how I do it without using any oil. So I have this half of an onion. I'm going to rub the griddle with the onion. So there is a layer created, and then I'm going to add my Thalipeeth there. I'm forming a small flat bread with my hands. I've added some onions to it. So I have taken a ball from the dough and I flattened it with my fingers on my palm, and I'm adding it to the hot griddle. Now my mother always used to make little indentations like that, and we will let it cook for a while, and we are going to flip it over when it's cooked on one side. Now I'm going to show you how I flip it over. It's very easy since I added a layer of the onion. It's so easy to flip it like that. See, looks so nice. And this one I just added to the griddle. So we'll give it a couple of minutes. Looking really good. It's very flavorful, has a lot of fiber. I'm going to eat it with some oppo squash and some greens. I might make a salad with carrots and cabbage. Let's see how hungry I feel. There we go. The third one is done also. Gently flip it like so. And our Thalipeeth is all set.